Hi, it's Kenton here. Long time no see. Apologies for not uploading any videos for the last few weeks. I've been busy with two things. First is a little puppy called Ruby, who's asleep at the minute in her crate down there, and so that's been occupying my time. If any of you have had a puppy, you know how it's quite time consuming. So she's doing great, she's settling in nicely, she's coming along to the pop-up galleries at the market every week. And the second thing is I've moved into a new studio. The reason for this is I wanted to have a more of a dedicated space for doing my artwork, but also when I have customers coming to my house to pick up pieces of commissions, it's a little bit better just for them to come in, a bit more professional for them to come in. So what's been happening? Well, the reason I haven't been doing any videos or uploading any painting videos for the last few weeks is everything I've been doing is commissions, and they've all been commissions for Christmas presents, so I can't film the process and share them online, because it would obviously spoil the surprise for whoever's getting the present. So that's what I've been doing for the last few weeks. We've just randomly been thrown this video. Welcome along. By the way, my name's Kenton. My channel's called Northumberland Art. I'm an artist in Northumberland and I paint landscapes. Anyway, let's have a quick whiz through what I'm working on, what I've got set up. So as you can see, I've managed to get some pieces hung on the wall so that keeps them safe and up out the way. And then this is my little space that I've got for the easels. This slots on and off. Then we've got the a little table which I can convert into with all my art supplies and stuff in there, so all my painting stuff. So there you go. That is everything that I've got going on. Thanks again for watching. I'll be back with the next video. Will be a full painting video of this painting, the full process of it. Interestingly enough, it does evolve quite a little bit. This is a painting that I've done. I don't know if you've watched the previous video where I've done a version of this in watercolour. I've actually done a few paintings of this scene, but I did say earlier on in the year that I would do a full-size acrylic version of it. So this is that one there, so that just needs finishing off. So that video will be coming up soon. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again soon.